Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a good day because I got Happy Mail. I got my Foxy Fix order in the mail. I placed this order back during the week of Black Friday. Actually, it was the week before Black Friday. Foxy Fix was having a sale. I'm going to open this up right here. I had ordered a cover for my Stology notebook. So this notebook right here. I also ordered a number 2 traveler's notebook from Foxy Fix. I ordered the butterscotch. They were discontinuing that leather and I had wanted a number 2. I love the butterscotch leather. That was one of my first Foxy Fix planners that I had ever purchased. It was in the number 4, the personal size. And I had been wanting the number 2 planner because I have since downsized from a 4 to a number 2 and I really like that pocket size the best. So let's just open this up and jump right in to see what all, if I remember what I ordered. I know I ordered a lot of stuff. So we've got like the sample. This is the Cambridge. It's a really pretty, this is probably similar to the color of what I got in my planner. You get the usual branding cards and you get a ton of the little shreds. So I'm going to kind of take this off. I'm going to have paper shreds everywhere. I'm just going to dig in the box. Oh, and I see that they've changed their dust bags. Super, super cute. Oh, got tons of paper shreds everywhere. I ordered quite a bit of stuff. They were having a sale on notebooks. And like I said, the covers, I ordered some restringing kits. I ordered some clear dashboards. And I think this is everything that's in there. Okay, let's move this box out of the way. I love their boxes. They're so pretty. Just sort of that navy blue with the florals. I have to figure out how to reuse this box. Maybe like a storage box in my closet. Let's get this all out of the way. So first of all, I noticed that they've changed their dust bags. These are super cute. They have like the black drawstring. They've got the black drawstring ribbons here, pull cords, and then on the front the logo is a lot different. Here's one of the older dust bags. This is what they previously used to look like with just the cotton string pull tab. But I really like these. These are really pretty. I love the dust bags. Use your dust bags, people. Use your dust bags. So this is the butterscotch and a number 2. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That's so pretty. I love that. And I got my, is this what I have in my other, let me double check. I think that's what I got. The secretarial pocket on the left and the secretarial pocket on the right with the pin loop. Okay, so all of my planners are all the same pockets on the left and the right and the pin loop. If you want to see a setup video, I'll put a link above. I set this one up a couple weeks ago. So here is the butterscotch for number 2, and I just, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. White strings, white elastics. There's the 4 strand elastics like so. Very pretty. Oh, I love that. Perfect. So there's that. And this is the one that I'm most excited about. This is the, oh my gosh, what is this called again? This is the Perfect Fit cover. And these are the covers that fit over the Hobonichi Tecos. I think that's how you pronounce it. Hobonichi Tecos or the Stology. That's what I have here. And so I got this in the Boss Babe Madison with the white stitching, white elastics, and I have the crisscross pocket here with a little is it secretarial? It's like the crisscross and then little card pocket here as well as the card pocket here. But I was hoping it would fit my, and it does. Perfect. Okay. I was afraid there for a second that it wasn't going to fit. I don't know. For some reason I figured that I measured it completely wrong, and then the ones that I was seeing on Instagram were not matching with what I ordered, but this is a perfect fit. Oh, I love that. So this goes in like so. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. And I have this notebook that I'm just using just to jot down just randomness. Have, you know, sticker ideas. You know, I do have my own sticker shop on Etsy. I've got, you know, some items that I want to purchase at, you know, grocery stores. So I just kind of jot down just at random. Instead of having a ton of sticky notes all over my desk, I have one little notebook. I can keep this on my bedside table, and, you know, before I go to sleep, I'm always brainstorming and I can jot down things real quick in here. The pages are a little thin. I've never used one of these notebooks before. It's fine for what I want to use, just writing down random scratch notes and things like that. And it's got the elastic that closes like so. This is basically equivalent to like a, I want to say the number 3 planner, but it's just a perfect fit cover that goes on the Hobonichi style notebooks. So I have that, that's perfect. And then one other thing that I ordered, and it's for my pocket planner here, I ordered another wallet insert. So I've used these wallet inserts before. I had one in a size 3 because I had the Traveler's Notebook in a size 3, and I wanted a number 2 wallet insert to put with this planner. And so I ended up getting the little pocket here with the slit pocket at the top and a zippered compartment. These work great as wallets, and I will show you the number 3 one that I have. And so here is my number 3, and the pocket configuration is a little bit different, as you can see here, and it's a little bit larger as well. But I just, you know, would use this as a wallet in my number 3 planners, but this was too large to fit into my number 2. And I will stick that in my planner, and it will be good to go. And I believe they were discontinuing these wallet inserts. I'm not quite sure. They might be bringing them back as a different style. They might be changing up the configuration of them. And the best way to kind of find out information about the Foxy Fix planners is to follow them on Instagram, because they always have either like mystery sales. I think they had a mystery sale last week at like 2 o'clock in the morning to help accommodate international, you know, customers, and so it was like a surprise mystery sale. But that fits perfectly in my number 2, so just like that. Super happy about my Black Friday purchases and that they're finally here. It took about probably a month and a half. I was actually expecting these to arrive, you know, next week sometime, but they arrived today, and I'm super happy about that. And I'm just chilling at home, and I can just kind of work with these planners and kind of have fun with those and kind of switch things out. Oh, I can't wait to use this butterscotch one. This is so pretty. I think this is probably gonna be my favorite one. And the leather on the butterscotch is super thick. It's like really thick, but it kind of softens over time. So I like that one a lot. And then I also picked up some of the number 2 notebooks, and I always purchase notebooks, especially when they're having a sale. So they were having a sale on these as well. And these are just the dot grid notebooks with the white paper, and it's got like the dot grids. I don't know if you can see that or not. But they're just blank little notebooks that are great for like refills, or if you want to, you know, create your own pages and things like that. I always like to keep a couple on hand, so that way when one notebook becomes full, I have some already, you know, in my planner drawer, and I can just add those to my planner. And then the last thing that I got, well, a couple of the last things that I got, I bought a jump band kit. So these are just extra elastics in case I want to add more notebooks. I can add a jump band, and then I can just kind of double up the notebooks like so. Although these are kind of jumbo, I might use them as ponytail holders. Let's be real. But anyway, so I got some of the extra jump bands. Usually you get one. Yeah, I didn't get one. Did I get one? Oh, it's in here. Yeah, so usually you get a jump band when you order your planners, and they're roughly about the same size. So this one, I see that these are kind of new with the metal band there, but these ones are just tied. And then the next thing that I got was the clear secretarial pocket folders. So I ordered 2 of these, and they're just the clear little flaps. One is a secretarial, one is a straight, and then one is, I thought I would use this one for dashboards, just to put little stickers in there to kind of, you know, decorate them throughout the month. And then I don't really like this style where you have to like the side entry this way here, but I thought this would be good just to have as a decorative cover. I can put like a piece of the scrapbook paper and then put some little die cuts in here. So that's why I got that one. I normally like this secretarial style, the open flap on the sides like that, where it's sort of curved here at the top. You can tell right there, it's a little bit curved that way, but you can easily stick like some sticker sheets in here. I will tend to cut down my sticker sheets, or I'll just print out some from my own shop. I'll downsize them to fit, you know, whatever planner I'm using. But I'm pretty sure that I'm stuck at a number 2 forever now, because I've started to sell off some of my planners. And just loving the number 2. So that is pretty much everything that I bought from Black Friday. That was like my big Black Friday, you know, purchases. I didn't really shop for anything else. I was wanting the butterscotch planner. It was on my wish list. When I saw that they were having that sale, I jumped on it and went ahead and ordered it. And so I just can't wait to like break this in. I feel like it's gonna be like, it'll get like all buttery soft. It reminds me of those nice leather purses or tote bags that kind of just like over time they get a lot better with use. So this is how this is going to become. And my notebooks, I put my wallet insert in my planner, and I'm happy about this one too, that it actually is the right size for this notebook. And I wish it had a pin loop. Was I supposed to order a pin loop? I can't remember. I don't think it came with a pin loop. Huh. I thought it came with a pin loop for some reason. Maybe not. I don't know. I have to double check that. And that is it for my Black Friday haul. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Also click that notification bell so you'll instantly know when I post a video. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.